Hi everyone, this is English 2's instructional video for week 23. Your assignments for the week are 7, 1, 2, and 3. The learning target this week is I can identify different types of mass media and describe how it is used. Cable and the personal computer, huge steps in the ever-changing world of mass media. Mass media and the MTV generation. MTV, or music television, was created in 1981. It was the first of its kind. It aired music videos, and it was geared towards teens and young adults. Later on, MTV aired news and other programs. Computers and technology. The internet provides us with instant information or news. It's an excellent tool for communication, and most homes today have the internet just like the TV. We also have the World Wide Web in your 2 cents. So the public is very involved in online media. People use YouTube and other programs. This has changed since the Vietnam War. The government has had less control over media. People also use blogs, which are public websites where users post informal journals of their thoughts, comments, and philosophies. They update these frequently, and these reflect the views of the blogger. All right, for the Explore section of the lesson, I'd like you to read this information found in this link under New Media Trends, and I also have another link I'd like you to read. I have a video in this link that I'd like you to watch about different types of media, and I have some flashcards I'd like you to flip through to learn some terms. So please take a few moments to complete these activities. All right, for the explain portion, in a Google Doc, explain 3 different types of mass media and their function. For the evaluate portion, please take this quiz over the terms that you learned earlier. For the elaborate portion, in your Google Doc that you started, explain which mass media you feel is the most effective and why. And there's a rubric as to how you'll be scored. And then finally, for the express portion, now that you have worked on learning more about mass media, how do you feel about your progress? Please read through these statements, choose the one that best fits you, and place that in your Google Doc. And then for your reflection, also in your Google Doc, I'd like you to answer, how did this lesson enhance your understanding of mass media? All right, I hope you have a wonderful week, and please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about anything. All right, thanks. Bye.